Afternoon guys, welcome back to another episode of Irons Hands Engineering, and we have arrived at Ink and Engines Fest. So let's go see what's in store for today. Children everywhere. I see this from a distance, and it's quite cool to be fair. I quite like the kit. I'm not really a fan on the wheels at the minute to be fair, but it's not my car, so I won't comment on that. Do love an FD, don't we, Vicky? Look at this beautiful thing. Oh. Do you know what this screams to me? The weasels in Who Framed Roger Rabbit. What? He hasn't seen Who Framed Roger Rabbit. No. There's a special place in hell for people like that. tasty little EK Civic. Very nice. You should have just sacked off the Fiesta and just bought a Civic.
How much money?
I don't know. More than you're about to sink into the Fiesta. I think it's a Honda logo. Oh yes. Oh, the quality. I think it's a Honda logo. Yes, magic. Very much a work in progress, but I do quite like this. A very nice variety on this stand as well.
Yeah.
Very nice variety. The Mustang. Then you got older Chevy trucks. Custom jobbies. Oh, look at this, man. Look at that. You are never putting anything in that. Look how plain that is. Look at these, look at that, it's immaculate, man. Jeez. Beautiful. Look at this beautiful prelude here. You gotta love a nice old prelude. Beautiful E36 coupe. Custom engraved mirrors. Done by Etch Reflection. Go check them out. The other mirrors I've seen them do look awesome. scrap. He's trying to fix his car fire.
I wasn't fixing nothing.
We were fixing something.
No, that was the other one that set on fire.
The van set on fire.
This didn't. Right. I didn't drive it here. Drive it. Yes. Oh, mate. Go on.
Look at it. Look at it. Look at the old Fordness. Oh, just working man's car. So cool. There's a pan there. Got a lovely little hot rod here as well. Oh, next to the Mustang. And we've got the Skyline, mate. 240 Skyline. 240k Skyline.
It's hot. How do I film? Do I film up?
Yeah. Hang on, that's it.
Oh, my arms are hanging out. Do you think you weren't hot and sweaty enough?
Yeah,
So you're like,
yeah, I got your hot sweaty fanny on.
how do I film?
Well, you are filming, it's recording.
Oh.
You can turn it towards us if you want.
How do I do that?
You turn your hands towards
Oh,
us.
then I can't see. I can see. Hello. I'm a free ride.
Lol.
Faster!
Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the tip. Look at the dirt. Look at the dirt. Everything's all over the floor. They're my handprints because I polished his tip. Yep. No, it's 7 in general.
Kept hitting the limiter. And this was just sat there in the limiter. I was like, oh, stop, thanks, mate.
No, he's gonna start that later.
Yeah.
You can have some money.
What are those?
You can have some money off those.
Hey, look, mate, they're not cropped. So, nothing like, hey, feet. Awesome, come on down.
I fucking won! Yes!
Lovely.
Yes, mate, I won an
I would say,
award!
mate, you could go and have a drink out of it, but the problem is it's going to piss out the spot.
That's very true, yeah.
Brilliant. Like half a shot.
Vicky, let's go in the living room.
That can go in the living room.
Yeah.
See a picture of
Best
that on the car.
wheels of Saturday. Oh yeah. And that was part 1 of the Ink and Engines Fest video. There is enough content for 2 parts. I didn't take that into account when I was making the video, so I've had to film this outro really quickly in the glory of winter. As you can tell, it's raining, it's miserable, it's horrible, and I cannot wait for show season again. The day was absolutely incredible. There were so many cars, fantastic artists. I met so many fantastic people. It was so good. But yeah, stay tuned for part 2, guys. Cheers for watching and all that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.